This video will cover the two hose line deployment methods, which are the stairwell stretch and the apartment stretch. First, we will demonstrate the stairwell stretch. This method of attack will be used when the hallway of the fire floor is filled with smoke or fire and is IDLH. As the officer checks the condition of the fire floor to determine the appropriate hose deployment, the remaining crew members position the hose packs in the hallway on the floor below. This is referred to as drop point 1. After checking the fire floor conditions, the officer has ordered a stairwell stretch. In this scenario, we have determined through recon that 150 feet of hose will be sufficient. The crew members of the first and second arriving engine begin to remove the straps and connect the hose packs. The forward DO will take the female end of the last pack and connect the pressure gauge and the attack hose to the standpipe. The nozzle firefighter then picks the nozzle pack up. The remaining crew members begin to flake out the middle and last hose packs as the firefighter and captain ascend to the fire floor. Once at the fire floor, the firefighter will place the nozzle hose pack on the stairs with the bend of the pack facing up and the nozzle facing the entry door. This is drop point 2. The captain will ascend the stairs, grabbing the middle mark of the hose to take up with him or her. It is important not to take the hose past the half landing above the fire floor. The captain stays at this half landing as the hose is charged to ensure that it stays in place. As the first arriving support company arrives to perform a primary search, they can place a smoke curtain to provide door control and ease of advancing the attack line. This frees up a firefighter to assist with attack line advancement. You do not want any additional hose prior to charging the line. The nozzle firefighter and the captain will communicate to the crew members below to pull back any slack in the line. Once all slack is taken out of the line, call for water. Charge the line, flush the line, and allow the forward DO to set the line pressure. As the line is being charged and pressure set, firefighters assigned to the attack line can mask up and go on air. The hose line is then advanced into the hallway to the fire room for fire extinguishment. As the line is advanced, the additional firefighters will stage at pinch points to help move hose and prevent kinking. Now we will demonstrate the apartment stretch. This method of attack will be used when the hallway of the fire floor is clear and tenable. It is critical that the door to the fire apartment remain closed. This is accomplished by a truck company that is performing recon. The other critical point with any high-rise fire attack is to not hook up on the fire floor, even if it is initially clear. Once the equipment is staged at drop point 1 on the floor below the fire, the officer confirms that the fire floor is tenable. The crews remove the straps, couple the hose, and connect to the standpipe. The captain returns to the crews and orders an apartment stretch.
All right, apartment stretch. Ready? Apartment stretch, copy.
In this scenario, we have determined that 150 feet of hose will be sufficient. The nozzle firefighter then picks up the nozzle pack, and the captain picks up the middle section. With the help of the second engine company, they ascend the stairs. As pinch points are encountered, the last firefighter in line stops at the pinch point to guide the hose. We are now on the fire floor. At this point, the captain drops the hose pack. This is drop point 2. This pack will feed out on its own as the nozzle firefighter and the captain proceed to the fire apartment. The nozzle firefighter drops his pack near the fire apartment door. This is drop point 3. The nozzle firefighter then pulls the middle mark of the hose down the hallway in the direction of the hinge side of the door. Pulling past the hinge side of the door will help eliminate a pinch point. We are now ready to charge and flow water so that the forward DO can set the pressure at the gauge. As the line is being charged and pressure set, firefighters assigned to the attack line can mask up and go on air. The hose line is then advanced into the apartment. Door control can be accomplished with a smoke curtain.